In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a super simple way to access Android apps right from your iOS device. No jailbreak, no complicated tricks, just an easy method that anyone can follow. So stick around because you don't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your web browser. First grab your iPhone and open Safari, or any browser you prefer. This is where the magic begins. Step 2. Search for the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Play Market and hit Enter. Look for the official Google Play website and tap on it. Step 3. Add Google Play to your home screen. Now, here's the trick. Once you're on the Play Store website, tap on the Share icon, that little box with an arrow at the bottom of your screen. Scroll down until you see Add to Home Screen, and tap it. Step 4. Name it and add. You'll be asked to enter a name for your shortcut. I'll name it Google Play Store, but you can call it whatever you like. Once done, tap Add in the top right corner. Step 5. Open and enjoy. Boom!